Welcome back, and there are a few changes in our channel. You cannot comment on the videos. That's a YouTube policy, so we cannot change anything about that. If you need to comment, please send us an email on the link given down here. And then what else? You can like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel, but maybe you cannot put the videos in a playlist, but you can play our playlist. So you can just click on play and see what we've been doing so far. This channel is about learning the Luo language. So today we are going to learn about words that start with the letter G. So the first one is gado.
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 Gado is to tangle or intertwine. Okay? If you have a string and you're intertwining the string, you igade.
Igade.
Yes, so gado is to intertwine. Gado.
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 Gado is to drink. Is to drink, like if you're drinking water, you say agado pi.
Agado pi.
Okay? So the next one is gagi.
Gagi.
Gagi. Gagi is a cowrie shell. It's a cowrie shell.
A cowrie shell.
Yes, that is gagi. Cowrie shell. We'll put one here. So this is a gagi. Okay? Gago.
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 You see the kids who don't want to eat. Mm-hmm. Now, if you have food and you're giving them to eat by force, like you're putting in their mouth like this, that is called gago.
Gago.
Okay? Gago is to feed someone by ensuring they actually eat that food. So that is gago.
Gago.
Gajo.
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 Gajo is entangle. Entangle or duodo. Sometimes you say duodo. But gajo is mainly to entangle somebody. Okay? Gajore.
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 Gajore is something that is twisted. Okay? Ogajore.
Ogajore.
Ogajore manadeni.
Ogajore manadeni.
Ogajore manadeni.
Ogajore manadeni.
That means it's really twisted. How come it's this twisted? Okay? Then the next one is gala gala.
Gala gala.
Gala gala is unusual. Satima gala gala.
Satima gala gala.
That means a very unusual shirt. Unusual in the sense that maybe it has evil spirits, you know. That's how unusual it is. So, Satima gala gala.
Satima gala gala.
Gallo.
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 Gallo is to delay.
Delay.
If you wanted someone to not go to a place, so you would gallo that person until they get late. Okay? So you'd say, na gale ma oleo.
Na gale ma oleo.
That means I delayed him until he got late. Gallore.
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 Gallore is someone who is deceiving himself or deceiving herself. Someone. Ogallore.
Ogallore.
Gemo.
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 Gemo is to hand over. Gemo is to hand over.
Hand
so
over. You're passing.
Yeah, passing. If I say gam na machunga cha. Now you say, in that action you say agemo machunga.
Agemo machunga.
Okay. So gam is pass over. Okay. Then gemo is I'm passing it over.
Okay.
That makes sense? Gamo.
Gamo.
There's another gamo. Now gamo is a go-between. And majorly it is a person who, if you're looking for a wife or a husband, and the person who introduces you to someone else, that is your jagam.
Jagam.
So jagam is someone who introduces you to somebody else.
So someone who is in between.
Yeah, the in-between person. That is called jagam.
Jagam.
Yes. So gamo is the act of introducing two people so that they know each other.
Okay.
In the sense that they want to marry each other.
Okay.
Yani like they want to be friends and get married. Yes. So if someone introduces the other, that is jagam. Okay?
Jagam.
Yes. So that's
Ghana.
1,000. Ghana area is?
2,000.
Yes. Ganga.
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 The Ganga is a sharpshooter. Like if you're shooting a gun.
I thought it was a suit.
No.
Because we used
shooter.
to call them. We used to call them suits at home.
No. Ganga.
Yeah.
Ganga is a good a person who can aim and shoot very well. Okay. Gango.
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 Gango is to heap up things into a pile. Okay?
Highway or hip. Okay.
Heap things into a pile. So if you put things so that they form a pile, you say agango gigo.
Agango gigo.
Yes, agango gigo. Gano.
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 Gano is to tell stories.
Tell stories.
Like to narrate, like long time ago, there was this, okay? That is Gano.
Gano. Okay.
Gano is to tell stories. So if you talk about long time ago, there was a whatever it is, that is Gano. Okay.
Gano.
Then there is Gawore.
Gawore.
Gaurwok.
Gaurwok.
Now Gawo is to cover yourself. Is to cover yourself with maybe the big blanket. That is agawara.
Agawara.
Yes, agawara. Gaso.
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 Gaso is to... What is gaso? Gaso is to misrepresent something. If you misrepresent, you say ogaso.
Ogaso.
Yeah, he has misrepresented what I wanted to.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and send us an email of what you think we should have our next videos to be. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and our website at luoenglishdictionary.com. For now, already.
Bye-bye.
Okay, give me a moment.